Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of any relationship, effective communication. Whether it's with your partner, family, friends or colleagues, effective communication skills are essential for building and maintaining strong relationships. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for improving your communication skills and building better relationships. Part 1. Listening skills. One of the most important skills in communication is listening. Many of us think we're great listeners, but in reality we're often too busy thinking about our own responses or waiting for our turn to speak. To be a good listener, you need to give the other person your full attention. Avoid interrupting and instead try to understand their point of view. Ask questions to clarify their statements and show that you're interested in what they have to say. Part 2. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a big part in how we relate to others. Our body language, tone of voice and facial expressions convey a lot of information. Pay attention to your own nonverbal cues and try to read those of the person you're speaking with. Make eye contact, smile, and use appropriate gestures to show that you're engaged in the conversation. Part 3. Emotional intelligence. Being emotionally intelligent means being aware of your own emotions and those of others. It's about understanding how emotions impact communication and being able to manage them effectively. When you're speaking with someone, try to put yourself in their shoes and consider how they might be feeling. Avoid getting defensive or reactive if they express negative emotions, and instead respond with empathy and understanding. Part 4. Effective feedback. Finally, giving and receiving feedback is an important part of communication. When giving feedback, be specific and focus on the behavior, rather than the person. Use I statements to express how their behavior affects you, and avoid making assumptions or generalizations. When receiving feedback, try to listen with an open mind and use it as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Effective communication skills are essential for building and maintaining strong relationships. By practicing good listening skills, paying attention to nonverbal communication, being emotionally intelligent, and giving and receiving feedback effectively, you can improve your communication skills and build better relationships. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for living your best life.